are resisting to develop a further towards the matter size. So from the creation, there is a Big Bang to matter.
Right.
Big Bang to matter.
Matter, yeah.
So it is first of all, matter development is a great issue, no?
Yeah.
So Big Bang to matter stage, say up to this earth formation,
Right.
up to this life starting,
Right.
this entire process
Right.
been hindered by two Rakshasas.
Right. Who are those?
Two Rakshasas. One person who is stolen the Vedas.
Acha.
That means the property of evolving into the matter or life
Right.
has been something hindrance has developed.
Yeah, right.
For that purpose, Varaha has come.
Acha. That's why they were showing Varaha there.
Varaha. What is this Varaha? Varaha means Megham,
Right.
Sanskrit word. Number one, Varaha is, it smells.
Yeah.
Smells.
So it burrows inside the earth.
Earth.
Yeah.
So smells.
Yeah, smells
That
out.
means
Sniffs
smell
out.
means smell.
Yeah.
There is a forgotten.
Rhinic
Sabda sparsa rupa rasa gandha.
Gandha.
What is
Right.
that? What is that? Sabda
The
sparsa.
five senses. Five senses.
No. The senses are not there. Sabda sparsa rupa
Rasa Gandha. Special senses.
No.
Ah.
It is, we sense it through it, but it is a property of the matter.
Okay, right.
Sabdam is the only property of Akasha Tattva.
Right.
And Sparsa.
Okay.
Sparsa will have a both Akasha Tattva and Vayu Tattva.
Vayu Tattva.
That's why Sparsa has come.
This
So
must be Bhumi
Vayu is Sparsa and Sabda, both will carry.
Right.
Next Agni. That means Rupa. Sabda Sparsa Rupa. Rupa means Agni.
Then Rasa and Gandha.
Agni means it is having both three. Sabda, Agni is having touching capability.
Right.
Third is, what do you call it as? Third is Rupa is having. So Vayu is not having any Rupa.
Right.
Then Jala has come.
Right.
Jala having four characters. Sabda, Sparsa, Rupa, Rasa. Not having smell capability.
Right. Taste.
One cannot smell.
Yeah.
Then Gandha. Gandha is the Prithvi Tattva.
Right.
So what exactly something is there which stopped to evolve into a Prithvi Tattva, matter life. So molecular formation, all these things are not been happening because of something else.
Right.
So the Varaha has come and smashed that hindrance and made a matter that is yet supposed to be evolved.
Right. So that's why Varaha is holding the earth on its mouth. Right.
This is one of the another way of explaining. First I explained regarding the Brahma is nothing but material plane.
So
His guna is this.
Right. How do you explain, Varaha killing Hiranyaksha?
That's why Earth evolved.
Earth evolved. Okay.
Otherwise, there is no point of Earth evolution.
Right. That's why Earth was hiding and then Varaha rescued it.
Right. So that's it. And another area we're supposed to keep in our mind. Another conceptual issue. The Varaha Avatara, after our Avatara, generally people call it Kurma Avatara. No,
Right.
Hiranya, Narsimha Avatara. Why? Because the Kurma Avatara has been done in the Bali Chakravarti period.
Okay.
Bala Chakravarti period.
Which means in Kali Yuga.
No, Bala Chakravarti is also faster. These are all the evolution of the thing.
Okay, right. So which period
So
and
actually-
which yuga is that?
No, that exactly what it is. So what exactly Amrita?
right, right.
They are going to Amrita.
Right.
Amrita, what is this word? Amrita? Amrita is nothing but protoplasm.
Okay, right. So
In
that
the
is the
time-
first evolution of the cell.
Once Amrita started, it is not having any death.
Mm.
Till now it is continuing, na?
Right.
This is the Amrita.
Yeah.
So Amrita, where after Hiranyakasipa, Amrita has come.
Right.
That is
Yeah, yeah.
Balav Chakravarti, great grandfather is Hiranyakasipa. Prahalada's grandson
Right.
is Bali Chakravarti.
Right.
That means Bali Chakravarti is the part of Danava side.
Right.
Indra is that side.
Okay, right.
So good side is Danavas.
Right.
Tail side that person. And then actually who got this? All Devatas got this Amrita.
Right.
That means at present what are all the things existing in this world of material plane
Right.
is nothing but Devatas. Vayu
Right,
is
right.
there.
Right.
These are all the how we supposed to calculate.
Right.
In the keeping this scientific issues, all these things,
Right.
Ajatmaka issues has been brought.
Yeah.
Krodha
Right.
is also going to smash you.
Right.
And then Lobha,
Lova. Right.
keeping the things low. Then
Right.
Hiranyakaspas,
Right.
Hiranyakshas.
Right.
These are another. Then how you are going to conquer it?
Yeah.
Only through bhakti.
Right.
Nothing else. You can't conquer it anything.
Only through
If you surrender to the God,
Yeah.
then only you can conquer the Krodha, you can conquer the Lobha.
Lova. Yeah.
So actually that's how the Purana supposed to be slashed,
Right.
analyzed.
Right. Yeah.
So now take like
Yeah. Achha,
don't you want?
this is a jaggery laddu.
Jaggery laddu.
Yeah.
To you it is a poison.
I mean, not so bad as maybe sugar. White sugar would have been more poisonous. The red one is less, perhaps. And of course, many people say that it's better, good for health. I don't know.
I am not bothered about it. Whatever you do, we will die.
That's true.
Am I correct?
Right.
You enjoy the taste and die.
Right. But the truncal obesity
Huh?
and diabetes and sarcopenia.
You are there not need to treat me. You are there. Why physicians?
We cannot do anything. We can just give glimepiride. That's an insulin secretagogue.
We will go
That's not
away.
good health.
Meanwhile, we will go away. What is that? You will maintain the life. We will even.
Yeah. So you're saying as Danavas or Devas, we
If you
have
are
a limited
treating me
shelf
when
life.
I see you admitted
Yeah.
in coma, you
Yeah.
can give this Jaggery lead also. Last time.
That
I
time will be
taste
only
it, I will
insulin.
go away.
That will be only insulin at that time. Okay, so Indian cosmology to glimepiride and insulin secretagogue. This is all a part of our critical realist heutagogy as we approach our workplace.